up here about 30 minutes north of Gillette, Wyoming in the High Bar Homestead on a Polaris XP1000, and today we're going to put the Polaris to the test. So stick around on the farm vlog today. We're going to have some fun with the Polaris Ranger and show you what the true capabilities of this machine are. This place is beautiful. Look back there. Awesome. Let's go have some fun. Woo! We are in God's country up here. We are on a 200-acre shooting range, basically, and it's owned by a friend of mine, and we're up here building a new shooting range for long-distance shooting. So this place is really awesome. It has a 1,000-yard known distance range, pistol ranges, all sorts of cool stuff. It's a really cool ranch. So the Polaris Ranger has multiple settings here. One just has one wheel, so if you're riding in your grass, you don't tear your grass up. One in the middle locks the two rear wheels, like a locker for the rear, and this locks all four wheels up, and we're getting ready to go up a steep hill. Now you've got work and standard and performance. So if you want to go fast, you click the fast button. Standard is just for normal cruising, and work is for heavy pulling. So folks, if you're new to the farm vlog here, I have a John Deere Gator 825i, and I'm chronically let down by this machine. Be it clutches or belts or axles, something is chronically breaking on this machine, and we're considering the purchase of a Polaris XP1000 for the farm. So that's kind of why we're putting it to the test up here. This is work we'd be doing anyway, but I figured I'd get you guys some real world action instead of the commercials that you see on YouTube. So this is a guy that works his machines, and that's what it's all about. Is the machine gonna work for you? So we're not all about bells and whistles and rainbows and butterflies here. We're trying to actually work a machine and show you what it does. So you'll see the skid loader in this video, and the skid loader is basically pushing up the slash piles that we pour out.
That's a great view.
Yeah, it is a great view. We got to show you this view. It's awesome. So we've got two of these Ranger XP1000s. This is the guy that we're using for working today for pulling, and this is just hauling dudes back and forth. But what we're doing is we're going down this hill and we're pulling brush back up the hill to make a big old slash pile up here to burn. Now the skid loader is going to do some work. He's going to run over me too. The skid loader is going to help push all these piles up on the top of the hill, but we're using the Ranger to pull the logs up the hill. Now that is some work right there. We'll get you some action shots here. So if you look across this valley right here, it's about a 750-yard shot over to the other side, and that's what this range is all about, long distance shooting right here. So we'll have some targets set up on that embankment right over on the other side, basically shooting right across this canyon. Pretty cool. Zip on back down the hill here. What you aren't seeing is this hill is rather steep. So we're hooked to a tree here, probably weighs somewhere in the neighborhood of, I'm gonna say 1,000 pounds easy. We're gonna work this guy. True testimony to the strength of the Polaris Ranger XP1000. Right on up the hill. So these are not my machines, but I'm showing you guys this because I'm simply impressed with the capability of this machine. It's unbelievable. If my John Deere Gator was out here doing that, it'd be a whole lot more tipsy, and you would just hear it working. That thing just grabs and goes. So we're gonna get him back down here and pull one more big old brush pile out for you. So folks, if you're thinking about getting a side-by-side, check out the Polaris Ranger. That machine right there is a workhorse. Super duper awesome workhorse. I'm talking about using this as a farm machine. I'm not talking about using this as a run around the woods and have fun play machine. I'm talking about using it as a farm machine, but you can use it as a run around the woods play machine. Take it up to the mountains for the weekend and have a good time with it. Now, I'm talking to you and showing you this stuff about the Polaris because we're in the market for a new farm rig, and I'm basically doing research up here on my friend's ranch. That machine right there is hands down topping my John Deere Gator. Now, John Deere has a new Gator called the 835. I've driven that. It's a comparable size and a comparable machine. The differences in the John Deere Gator, the obvious differences are this has a plastic bed on it where the Gator has a metal bed. The Gator is supposed to be geared more toward farming, so it's not quite as fast. This machine will fly. It will outrun the Gator 10 times over, but the Gator is made for a utility vehicle. This is made as kind of a crossover utility vehicle, but I think we've proven to you it's a workhorse. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video about the Polaris XP1000, putting it to work, having some fun here on the High Bar Homestead. Come on back and see us on the Stoney Ridge Farm channel. We'll have more fun stuff just like this for you. All right, take care. Don't forget to pound that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Woo! Woo!
I've been running around this farm just chasing them chickens that are running along, yeah. I've been running around this farm just chasing them chickens that are running along, yeah. 'Cause we got goats, we got pigs, and we got chickens. Goats, pigs, and chickens. Goats, pigs, and chickens.
Alright, welcome guys. Welcome to the bonus footage for this video. So we are really working this machine. I just want to let everybody know we are going no holds barred. The man in the red shirt there, his name is Drake. He's the owner of the property and the owner of both machines. And that's Colton. He's pushing over a ponderosa pine up there. We pick on Colton. We call him Colby sometimes. He's a pretty cool dude. Nice people, good Wyoming cowboy folks. He grew up on a ranch out there. So Drake right now is just putting this thing through the paces. He is not one bit afraid of working this machine to the fullest extent. What boys will do when Safety Sam is not watching. I always like to pick about Safety Sam because we're not being very safe in this video.
Doing the job right now.
Doing it?
Cheaper than a skidder.
Drake's getting it done there. But as you can see, he works it. And that's the kind of guy you want testing your equipment out. So if you guys are in the market for one of these UTVs, this is the kind of guy you want to tear it up for you. So you know just what it'll do. And I was very, very impressed. This thing will work circles around my Gator.